Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to invert selection. Okay, for example, I will open this JPEG, and if you want to invert selections, first I will use these tools, rectangular marker tools. So I will select at this area. After it, you can go to image menu, adjustment, and then you can click invert. So it will be automatically invert the selection. To close, you can click here, select, and then click deselect. So we can select again another area. I will use this elliptical marquee tools. So I will click in here. Go to image, adjustments, and then you can click invert. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to invert selection. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.